Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth review about this CRM platform, which is Kitboard. Kitboard has emerged as a noteworthy CRM solution in 2025, particularly appealing to small and mid-sized business seeking a streamlined approach to customer relationship management. Its intuitive interface and robust lead tracking capabilities allow users to monitor customers' interaction effectively, providing insight into leads origin, website engagement, and trust or interest level. The functionalities enable business to prioritize high potential leads and tailor their outreach strategies accordingly. Additionally, Kitboard cloud-based infrastructure ensure accessibility and scalability, accommodating the evolving need of growth enterprise. While Kitboard offers a compelling set of features, it faces stiff competition from the established CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Freshwork, which boast extensive integration and advanced analytics. However, Kitboard focuses on simplicity and user experience, make it an attractive option for business that prioritize ease of use over complexity functionalities. Its competitive pricing model further enhances its appeals, providing a cost-effective solution without compromising on essential CRM capabilities. For organizations seeking a balance between functionalities, affordability, Kitboard presents a reliable alternative in the crowded CRM landscape.